Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Notion calendar integration for sprint deadlines, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Notion website. Log into your Notion account using your credentials. Once you're in, locate the workspace where you want to enable calendar integration. Next, create a new page or select an existing page dedicated to your sprint planning. On your selected page, find the option to add a new block. Choose the calendar option from the block types available. After the calendar block is added, click on it to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled Connect Calendar. Select your preferred calendar application from the list provided. You will be prompted to grant Notion permissions to access your calendar. Follow the prompts to allow access to your calendar. Once permissions are granted, return to your Notion page. Now, you can start creating new calendar entries for your sprint deadlines. Click on the calendar date to add an event or task. In the event creation window, fill in the event details such as title and description. Set the date and time for the sprint deadline. If necessary, you can add tags or assign team members to each event. After filling out the details, click on the Save button to finalize your event. Repeat these steps for each sprint deadline you want to add to your Notion calendar. To view all your entries, navigate back to your calendar on the Notion page. Finally, ensure to regularly update your calendar as sprint priorities change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.